Hey, hello children. Good morning to you all. How are you doing? Are you doing great? You must be having really so much of fun at home, right? So, to make your days really more interesting, I have come up with a story. It's a very simple story to let you know about how a bird grows. Uh, we all know all living things or living beings grow, isn't it? We all grow. Like sometime we were a baby, okay? So, baby, how were we behaving when we were baby? Meow, quack, quack, we used to do like this. Then we slowly grew elder and we became a child. Isn't it? We became a child when we started talking, and we just used to talk. Mama, this is not good, Mama. I want this. No, I don't want this. Mama, I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. We used to do like this. We used to talk and we became child. We started writing. We started reading. Okay. Then we grew much elder and we became a teenager. Fine. And after that we became adult and we become old. Hmm? Fine. So that's how we grow. Like when we talk about the bird, the same thing happens with the bird even. So here is a story to let you know about that. Fine. So can you see this big tree here? Yes. Does it looks green? Yes. The trunk, it's brown in color and the leaves are green in color, right? So there was a big tree, and on that tree there lived a bird. Fine. In its nest. Can you see the bird here? Yes, this is the bird. Here is the bird. Can you see this? And this is the nest over here. Fine. And the bird had laid its egg. Can you see this egg? White colored egg? Yes. So the bird had laid its egg. And the bird was waiting eagerly for its baby to come out from the egg. Okay. Do you know? The babies of the bird, they comes out from the egg. Okay, they hatches out, they breaks the egg and they come out from the egg. So this bird was waiting, the mother bird was waiting for its baby to come out. Baby, when will you come out? I'm just waiting for you. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, so one day what happened is as the bird was waiting, slowly one day the baby bird, it hatched out and it broke the egg and it tried to come out, and this is called the hatchling. Okay, this is called the hatchling. So when it came out slowly, it turned to a nestling. It's a baby bird. Okay, the hatchling, this is the hatchling. Okay, when it came out from the egg and slowly it took food and everything, and slowly it started growing elder and it became a nestling, a baby bird. Still it was a nestling, it was a baby only, but soon her mother always used to feed her. The mother used to find out food from here and there. It would fly all over, all around, here, there, everywhere. And in the evening, it would come and make the baby bird, the nestling, eat something. Okay, so as it was making her feed, slowly the nestling started growing. Okay, so as it started growing, it had developed its wings. Okay, so that it could take its flight. Okay, take its flight. So it's once what happened is the mother bird, it said, Baby, oh dear baby, now can you try to fly? Can you try to fly? Yes, Mama, I'll try to fly. Please make me know how to fly. So the mother bird taught the baby how to fly, and the baby bird started taking its first flight. Okay, it was slowly flying. Wow, I'm flying slowly. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying, Mama. Yes, you will enjoy. Go, fly high. And the bird started flying more and more, more and more, more and more, more and more. And as it became elder, it turned to a bird. Okay? It turned to a bird. Fine. So both mother and the baby bird, the both of them used to fly every day and search for their food. Shh. So they used to fly together and they used to search their food and come back home and take their rest. That's how the bird grew up. Okay, so there was an egg first. Okay, there was the egg, and then the egg broke or hatched and came out the hatchling. Okay, came out the hatchling. Then hatchling grew up to nestling. Okay, hatchling grew up to a nestling, and slowly it took flight, and then it became a bird, a beautiful, lovely bird. So, how was it? Did you enjoy this? That's it for today. Have a great day. Bye bye.